When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am.
Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and if you're not new, welcome back. I have a Kosei Thread unboxing of my Revolve jewelry. So, real quick before I get started, I look like this because I was running errands all day today, and it was a muggy, chilly, windy day here in Houston, and so it was a comfy day. However, my Kosei Thread got delivered today, so I rushed over to go to the mail to get my box so that I can show you guys. Thanks all of you that have been commenting on my other video of Kosei Thread. It was a little underwhelming. So quick update on that. I think out of 100 items that I got, or 110, I've listed maybe close to 25. I've sold one thing. But it's kind of been a struggle because I'm not excited about the pieces, so it makes me not want to really list them. Um, so I need to really get on top of that. However, before I even open that box, I ordered some jewelry. So really quick recap on this. So early one morning, I think it was the morning of the 12th, I saw on Instagram that Kosei Thread was advertising their Revolve jewelry, and I have never heard of Revolve. Like, I don't know what they sell, but I do know that everybody on Instagram loves to sell stuff from Revolve, and it's what I've gathered, items that, retail and resell for a good price. So when I read Revolve on there, I became interested. I've never, not that I'm aware of, have ever gotten anything that's sold at Revolve. I don't even know what's sold there. So if you guys know, comment down below and let me know. Educate me. I love you guys in the comments because you really help a girl out. But anyways, it was in the morning. The Instagram story, it did say that the small orders would be around $6, $6.25 per item, and the bulk would be about 4 something per item. I don't remember. So I sent a message on that story, to Kosei Thread and asked how many items are in the bulk, because I was going to do the math and see how much money I was going to spend if I was going to get this. So I went over to the website, and the only thing that they offered on the website was a small order of 20. So I purchased it because I hadn't gotten a response back. Literally 5 minutes after I bought it, I got a response back that said it was 100 items. So I messaged back saying that I had already bought the 20 because that was all that was offered on the website. So the girl was like, well, if you want, I can refund you the money, but I used my $35 credit. So it brought my cost of goods down from 125 to 90. And you get credit, or rewards, or whatever it is, when you purchase stuff from them. So I'm assuming I got my $35 credit because of the big old bulk thing that I got before. I don't even know how I got those $35, but I got them. So I let her know, like, well, if I return it, am I able to get my $35 credit back? And she was like, no. I'm assuming it was a girl. She said no. So what she went ahead and did, and she really did work with me, is that she um, figured out what the difference was in pricing to get me that $4 per item for something. I don't know what it is. She gave me 80 pieces at $4.25, so I ended up paying $340. So altogether, I had two orders, right? I have the 20 and then the 80, which makes 100, and my cost of goods would come out to about $465. But I didn't pay the 125, I paid 90. So really, my cost of goods are going to be $430. However, I literally ordered this within minutes. So she sent me an invoice because that's not an option on the website. And I was asking, well, am I going to get rewards for this? And she's like, no, because it's an invoice. So I was like, whatever. So here's the other thing. I got one of my deliveries today. The other one, the 80 item one, the bigger one, I've been checking updates and it hasn't even shipped. So I don't know how my little small piece got shipped out so quickly. I don't know if they were already like pre-done, probably already lotted by 20s and 100s. I don't know. But I sent them a message today asking like, can you give me, update me on my status, because that's $340 that is still at your warehouse. I also, real quick update, emailed them about the Plato's Closet tags, and I emailed them like 3 days ago and I still haven't heard any response. So if you guys have any ideas like what you think is the quickest way to get a hold of them. I mean, I did get an email that said that they're like looking into the matter, but I don't know if that was about my 80 item order that hasn't been sent out, or the Plato's Closet issue, because I literally sent them at the same time. So, anyways, let's get to the jewelry. So, I'm going to show you everything and then kind of give you my thoughts. So, this brand, I'm assuming they sell at Revolve, and I think it's Etika. If I'm saying this wrong, please correct me. Etika, right? Etika? I don't know. I was trying to research and like see like what the price points are for these, and it could be anywhere from $25 to like really expensive. I've heard that it's really good jewelry and that like these are plated or something. I don't know. If you guys have any knowledge on this brand, please drop it down below in the comments, because I really have absolutely zero idea as to what I spent money on. Actually, I don't even know if jewelry sells well on Poshmark, so if you've tried jewelry and have no luck on it, let me know. I do have a few pieces in my Poshmark closet, and they don't really move. So, oh, and this is just going to be a lesson I learned the hard way if this doesn't sell. If you guys are interested in any of these items, send me a message on Poshmark and I will send you 50% off of whatever I have it listed as. So first, I'm going to kind of go on categories like bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. So first thing is this little bracelet. It has this little stony thing there. It likes kind of pearly color. This is a bad time to show jewelry up close because I don't have my nails done. I'm telling you guys, my nail lady left, and I've gone to other places and they like chip off like within days, and so it's just annoying that I'm spending $80 for it to chip off. Anyways, this is cute. I need to do like prices checks on all of these. Okay, so next I have this. Has like a cute little like diamond in this. This says that you can wear it as a choker, wrap bracelet, or an anklet. I mean, it's cute. It's like a little leather look. On the back it has some little gold detail. It also has a gold detail up here. I mean, that's cute. Okay, next I have this. I don't know. I'm assuming this is a choker, right? That you would wear, like this would go here. And then maybe you can, because it's pretty lengthy, it has some like gold accents throughout. Maybe you can like double layer, and then I'm assuming this would like just hang like this, cute, like a cute little like boho look. I mean, it's cute. I just wouldn't know how to wear it. Okay, next I got this other choker that is very colorful. It has like blue and gold accents, like the little fringe. It has a little clasp in the back. I mean, it's cute. Our choker's in, guys. Next, I got this, which I'm assuming it's like a double layer. So you wear like the choker, which looks like this, like gold detail. And then it just hangs down with some gold detail down here. Next, I got this. I got a lot of chokers. So it's just kind of a basic little choker. So it has that gold detail right there. It's just little, I don't know if you can move them. I mean, you can. You can space them out. It looks cool. Either way, it's just like a little layered look. Next, I got another choker. All the necklaces are chokers. So this is kind of like a blue with like a silver, like a pewter silver like look. Has like circles and like these little, I mean, it's a cute detail. Next, I got this like denim double layered look that would just hang like that. It has like the denim with like a gold chain and then these little dangly circles things. I don't know how to describe stuff. Can you imagine how my listings are? You know, the little balls, the little circle dangly things. My last necklace is another choker that is similar to the other one that's layered. This one just has a little, actually, it's probably the same. It's the same, but this one was just spaced out and the other one was not. So, I mean, it looks cuter this way, I think. I mean, either way, however they want to wear it. So I got 2 duplicates. I hope that the 80 piece isn't duplicates and I get different variety. Okay, so into the earrings, which is probably what I got the most of. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm like really close up and I look like this. First up, we got these earrings that are just some drop earrings, dangly earrings, I don't know, but like they have like this fake flower look down here. But it's cute and they have this gold detail throughout, like the little gold circles. Super cute. Next, we got some more earrings. These hang pretty. They are pink with like the pink detail here and the gold circles. It has like the gold plated look. The back looks like that, but it has like this tulle feel. Another pair of earrings. These are cool. They have like this circle, like detailed dangly, so I don't know what the heck this is called, but they have the same look up here, and then like the wood look in the middle, it's kind of like shaped. I mean, I think these are so cute. I don't know that I would wear these because I'm like your basic girl. Okay, next we have these white earrings. They are so cute. Like they make like little C's and they're just like a really simple white with like some really pretty lines there. This is more my vibe because they're not too like dramatic and they're not out there, so this would be something that I would wear. Next, I got these, which are super cute, like these hoops that have like a bunch of different colors, like blues, pearl color. I think that's even black. Yeah. So cute. Loving this box so far. I'm worried that jewelry doesn't sell well. Next, we have these drop dangly earrings that have like the little gold chain with like little fringe look down here. I don't know what these would be called, but these are super cute, right? So next up, we have these earrings. They are not as long as the others, and they look to have like the Virgin Mary on there. So I don't know. I've been seeing that this logo emblem is very popular. On the back of the earring, it does have like a cross and kind of looks like an M. That's on the back of the earring, but the front looks like this. Next, we have these really cute earrings that are like pink down here, like this pink detail. Just super cute, super lightweight. They look big, but they are light. Do you guys think I'll get $4 for these? Or more than $4? At least $5? As long as I make my money back. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm trying to hurry. So next up, I have these like beachy vibe earrings. You have the gold circle up here, the wooden circle look, and then like a palm leaf. So last two, so here we got these cute drop earrings with like crosses on the bottom with pearls on the inside. If you guys are interested. So next they sent these crosses that are super cute, super light. They are like clear and they're not that big or dangly like some of these other ones may come low. These don't come as low. They're cute. So if my other 80 items come in, I will do another additional video. Hopefully they're not the same stuff. Hopefully it's different so then I can give you a video. But if those come in, then these would be for 30 each. So I liked this box a lot actually. I would buy this. I didn't find a piece that I thought was horrible or in bad condition. Like they look new, they don't look used, they don't look damaged. So far, Kosei Threads is 50-50. If I don't get my 80 items, then we might have issues. But for now, they're redeeming themselves. So stay tuned because I have a lot of updates as of right now. I'm waiting to hear from them. So if you guys have tips as to how I can get a hold of them so they can hurry up and send my stuff, let me know. Y'all have a blessed day.
So much better.